This Garmin Motorguide Adapter Cable provides a reliable link between a Motorguide trolling motor transducer and compatible Garmin fishfinder and GPS combination units, so you can keep using your existing gear together on the water. The cable is purpose-built for 4-pin Garmin Echo, echoMAP, echoMAP CHIRP, and Striker series units, which means you get a clean plug-and-play connection without splicing or improvising fittings. Garmin's build quality is evident in the sturdy connectors and well-insulated cable jacket, giving confidence that it will stand up to vibration, spray, and repeated deployment of the trolling motor. The compact overall size and modest weight make it easy to route along the trolling motor shaft or bow wiring runs without adding clutter or strain to your setup. Installation is straightforward even for do-it-yourself boaters, since the connectors are clearly keyed and the cable length is practical for most bow mount layouts. By allowing your Garmin electronics to read directly from the Motorguide built-in transducer, this adapter helps deliver accurate sonar and navigation data without the hassle of mounting an extra transducer.